folks. This is what's worth the wait for. Look, you see this. Now, don't go excited. Calm down. Don't be shaky. Look at this. Da-da-da-da-da. A thing of beauty. Is that not beautiful? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're still to get painted. We're waiting the paint come for them because we underestimated the paint. But look at that. And they know a thing of beauty. They're on their way tomorrow to New Mains. Yes, New Mains tomorrow morning. Claire Foy, we're coming up to see you. Get the kettle on. A thing of beauty, isn't it? Really. And I really must thank that lady for her patience. But it's well worth the wait when you see the likes of that. I'll put the blanket back on them because they've got a wee bit, one more sleepover here to go. One more sleepover. And look who's going to watch them tonight. There we are. There's a ratio. There's Fred. See that in the background, the brown one. Let's get a name for him. Come on, you followers, get a name for him. And anyway, here's Billy and Rhoda's gate, by the way. I'll show you Billy and Rhoda's gate. Look at that, there your watch. Time is in. Quickly do here, do a wee wiggle and a wobble. Famous wiggle wobble run. There's a cart for them. That's the gate, and that's the side panel. And that's for, well, somewhere in there, I'm not safe here. All I can say it's Billy and Rona, and there's your gates there. Because they tell me you were Rona, you and your daughter were watching me on Facebook, and there are 2 followers onto the mighty WSH list, getting bigger and bigger all the time. So see, and that's a substitute for that's a substitute thumb of a secret, and our cameraman, by the way, and he's tried to steal his son's scone. There's no harm. So see, he's all there, folks.